Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to see about NEET Chemistry questions. So this is part 33 series. So in that series particularly we are going to see about the given property that shows the progressive increase with the rise in atomic number across a period in the periodic table. Okay, about the electronegativity and electron affinity and ionization energy we are going to discuss today. How it is increases with the rise in atomic number across a period in the periodic table. Got it? So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah. So let's go to the first question. The question is, which of the given properties shows the progressive increase with a rise in atomic number across a period in the periodic table? Okay. So they have given a 4 option here, that is electronegativity, electron affinity, ionization energy and none of the above. So for that we have to discuss about how it is increases with the rise in atomic number across a period in the periodic table. So before that we have to discuss about the electronegativity and electron affinity ionization energy. Okay, what it is into. Okay, so see here what is mean by electronegativity that we have studied in the 12th standard and 11th standard also, right? Electronegativity is a measure of an atom. So consider this is the atom here, okay? So it will attract the shared electron to itself. That is called electronegativity. Okay, electronegativities are generally increase, okay, from the left to right side in the periodic table. From the left side to right side in the periodic table. So electronegativity is increases. As we move down in the group, no, it is decreases. So this is what the general thing about the electronegativity in the periodic table. Why it is increases and decreases in the down in the group? Because some reason, that is due to the greater charge on the nucleus. That is greater charge on the nucleus. Why it is? Because see, consider this is the atom, this is a nucleus. In the nucleus, no, only nucleus we have the proton and neutron is held together in the nucleus here. Correct? So in the proton is having a plus charge, here neutron is having a zero charge. So that only nucleus is having a, if it is having a positive charge and it's always depend on the proton charge. Okay, so if any atom is having a 10 atomic number, another atom is having a 15 atomic number, okay, so this 10 atomic number having a nucleus is having a 10 proton. This will have a 15 proton in the nucleus, right? So which will attract the electron more? Here this nucleus is having a 15 proton. Okay, this will attract the electron more. Okay, so that only electronegativity is more according to the greater charge on the nucleus. Got it? So in the periodic table, no, for fluorine atom there is a more electronegative for that reason only. And also, okay, the electronegativity is always electronegativity, no. So we have given the another example also. See this example. Okay, the electronegativity I have explained with the oxygen atom. See here. Okay, so can you see now? So this is oxygen atom I have given here. For the oxygen atom, no, in the nucleus, okay, there is a proton and neutron will be there. So for the oxygen atom, 8 atomic number. Got it? So for that there is a one level of shielding electron will be filled in the first shell and second shell also. Okay, and here I have taken the nitrogen. Yes, nitrogen I have taken here. So this atomic number is 7 here, right? So I have drawn the nitrogen here. So in the nucleus, no, the atomic number is 7, so that the proton is present in the nucleus is 7 proton will be present in the nucleus, right? So in that case what happened, this is having a more nuclear charge, no, which is having a more nuclear charge? Oxygen is, right? Oxygen is having a more nuclear charge than the nitrogen, right? So that only, okay, it will attract the electron. Here it's attracting the electron. Okay, attract the electron more. Okay, so that oxygen is having a more electronegativity than nitrogen. So oxygen is having a more electronegativity. affinity. So this is the way we can conclude. As we increase the atomic, what is that, atomic number, what happened? The electronegativity is increases. Okay, the next thing what we are going to see, that is electron affinity, right? Electron affinity, no, we have to check. Okay, what does mean by electron affinity? That we have studied in the 12th standard, right? The electron affinity is the electron will added to the atom, correct? Electron is added to the atom and to form a negative ion, that is called, what is that, electron affinity, right? So let's take electron affinity here. So the electron is added to the atom, okay, then it will form a negative ion. Okay, so this is called the electron affinity. Okay, I will give an example, like if this is the atom in the gaseous state, okay, so the electron is added to it, so what will gives it? It gives a negative ion, right? The second electron affinity, what happened? So because of this negative ion, the negative energy, okay, the energy is released. Here the energy is released, okay. Okay, because of this negative ion, the energy is released here. The second electron affinity, this is first electron affinity. What about the second electron affinity? Okay, again this negative ion, no, it's react with the, that means added to the, what is that, electron. Okay, it gives the, again the negative ion. Okay, 2 times of negative ion. So that only we got a positive energy, because the energy is needed more than gained. Energy is needed, it's more than gained it is. Okay, so that it have a positive energy. Okay, so how the electron affinity is increases with the atomic number, that we have to know, no? Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so I have taken here the one metal. Okay, metal is reacting with the electron. Okay, metal is added to the electron. Okay, so what happened? The energy is needed to gain that electron. That is will happen. The energy is needed to gain the electron. To gaining this electron to the metal, okay, energy is needed. Okay, got it. Energy is needed. This is called endothermic reaction that we have studied earlier. So metals have likely to chance to gain the electron because it is easier to lose their valence electron and form a cation. Okay, so easier to lose their valence electron because the metals nuclei do not have a strong pulling their valence electron, so that metals having a lower electron affinities. Why the metal is having a lower electron ability? Electron affinity is low for the metal. Okay, why it is? Because when the electron is added to the metal, the energy is needed for that. Okay, so metals are likely to gain the electron because it is easier to lose their valence electron to form a cation. Okay, so that only, okay, the electrons, valence electrons in the metal nuclei do not have a strong pull on their valence electron. Thus, okay, in the metal, consider this is a metal. Okay, so this nuclei, the metal having a nuclei, no, it don't have a strong pulling the valence electron. Consider this is the valence electron. Okay, so this is a valence electron. Okay, it won't have a, this nucleus won't have a strong pulling the electron from the valence electron shell. Okay, so that only this metal is having a low electron affinity. This is what the thing. Okay, got it. So this is the way it will change. The electron affinity is changing. Okay, electron negativity and electron affinity, how it is differ? Okay. So, if you see the electron attract the atom, that is called electron negativity. If the energy is released, once the electron is added to the atom, once the energy is released, that is called electron affinity. Correct? Correct? That only we have studied now. Okay. What about the ionization energy? Come to the ionization energy now. Yes. What is that? That also same thing. Once the atomic size, atomic number is increases, what happened to the ionization energy? So the ionization energy is basically the number of electrons in the valence shell. That means if it is considered this is the atom, okay, in the valence shell there is a electron, no? So this valence shell electron increases when left to right in the group. Okay, so see here the atomic number is increases. That means what? 15, 16, 17. So this is the way atomic number increases. Means how you draw the atomic structure. Okay, so this is the way it will increase, no? Valence shell will be increased, no? The valence shell electron will be increased, no? Correct. It is more, no? Once the atomic number is increases in the atom, what happened? Valence shell electron is more, no? Correct. So the energy is required. The energy is required for to remove the electron. Remove the electron from the outer shell. Okay, from the outer shell or valence shell. Remove the electron from the outer shell is more. We need more energy. Okay, so increases. The ionization energy is increases from the left to right. This is what the reason the ionization energy is increases. Got it? Okay. Come to the last point. How? See, if we go with the electronegativity also, okay, rising the atomic number, it is increases. That only we have seen, no? First, electronegativity is increases when it is atomic number is increases. Right? So, right. So, this is correct. So, the second one we have seen electron affinity is increases with the same the atomic number is increases. That also we have seen, right? So, ionization energy, no, that also increases with the atomic number. That also we have seen. So, how we can come to the conclusion which is the showing the property progressive increase with the rise in atomic number across a period in the periodic table? That means if you see about the electron affinity and ionization energy, there is no regular increase. There is no regular increase in the electron affinity and ionization energy. It will change. That is not standard. Okay. But here about the this negativity, no? There is a regular increase. There is no regular increase in the electron affinity and ionization energy. But here electronegativity, it increases, okay, it increases with the rise in atomic number with the regular increase. So this is the correct option for this question. Okay. So the property shows, the electronegativity property shows a progressive increase with the rise in atomic number across a period in the periodic table. So the electronegativity is the correct option for this question. Okay. Okay students, I think you have understood all the question and answer. Okay, we will see in the next video. Okay, before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also. So then only you will get a notification. Yeah. Thank you.